Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Vigadan. I really appreciate your interest in watching this video. So today you are going to learn about an important topic, that is jumbled sentences. So what is meant by jumbled sentences, or why should you learn jumbled sentences? So jumbled sentences are sentences not given in order or given in disorder. Okay, you need to rearrange them into correct order and make a meaningful paragraph. So that's what you have to do when jumbled sentences are given. Why should you learn jumbled sentences? Jumbled sentences are important part of paragraph. So in paragraph writing, we need to not only write just sentences. So when we write sentences, there need to be a logical order and they should be written in correct sequence of time. So in this way, to write a good paragraph, you should know to rearrange jumbled sentences. There are some indicators, they help us to rearrange them into correct order. Let's see one by one. So first of all, there are so many keywords, or they are known as indicators. Let's see some examples of introductory keywords. That means there are some words, they will indicate that sentence occur or that action occur at first. Like nowadays, it's a general statement. A, an, or beginning, in the beginning, some general way of starting of the paragraph. So in that way you can find the first sentence very easily. Next you have to go for the concluding lines, that means the last sentence of the paragraph. So how will you find out that? By concluding keywords, thus, therefore, finally, eventually, so clearly, hence. So all these words show the action is over. Okay, so in that first you are able to find out the first line as well as last line. Now coming to the sentences between them, you can, these comparative keywords, other connector keywords, they help us. Especially see comparative keywords like likewise, similarly. So they compare one sentence to another sentence, one action to another action. So they help us to form the next proceeding sentences. Connector keywords also, they connect with the words like supporting, additionally, in addition to, apart from this. So we know they are very well connected with this connector keywords. Time sequencing is very important as far as rearranging of jumbled sentences is concerned. For example, initially, then, later, next, former, finally. So these are time sequencing words. So they very well help us the order of the sentences. Which sentence will come next? There are other support also we can take, like example noun, pronouns and antecedents. They also help us to rearrange the sentences in correct order. Let's see the example here. India is my country and all Indians are my brother and sisters. Then the next sentence is, I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. So here India is a noun. Okay, I love my country. So I is a pronoun. Again, I am proud of its rich. So it is also possessive pronoun. So relating to, okay, so in this way they help us to form the next sentence. So nouns, pronouns, antecedents that come before the noun also help us to form a correct order of sentences. Let's now go for the examples. Our first example is given here. Let me read. The fierce battle was fought. Emperor Ashoka wished expand the Mauryan Empire. Over 100,000 people died. He attacked the kingdom of Kalinga with a large army. So if you see here only 4 sentences, but not in a correct order. How do we know that they are not in a correct order? So it is straight away the battle was fought. Then comes Ashoka wished. So logical thinking will make us aware that first king has to wish. then only he arranges battle. Okay, then he attacks, then people die. So like that only events go one after another. So this is the same way here it is arranged. See, Emperor Ashoka wished to expand Mauryan Empire. So that is first is an idea. He wished to expand, make Mauryan kingdom very big, large. So he attacked the kingdom Kalinga. So when he attacked, the other party also will attack. So there it is called a battle. A fierce battle was fought. Then when battle occurs, what will happen? People die. So over 100,000 people died. So it is a historical event. So sequence of events help us to rearrange them into correct paragraph. Let's see the next example. A quite lengthy, lengthy sentences are there, but let us see how the answer has come. See, the first sentence is here. The concept of homework began so that the people could revise that was being taught in the class. So here it is a general statement about homework. So it is a topic sentence here. That's where it comes first. Now let us see the next sentence is E. The purpose of this concept is connected with the concept of homework. So that's why we take it as a second sentence. Next is C. By doing so. So by doing so means what doing so? That's connecting from the previous sentence. Okay, that is overburdening students with the so-called homework. So by doing so, most schools took away the leisure time of the children. Okay, now that is connecting with the next sentence F. Lack of such leisure time. So took away the leisure time. Lack of such leisure time. When you take away the leisure time, there is no leisure time. So lack of such leisure time means there is no leisure time. Does not allow the children to develop creative pursuits. Okay, so next straight away goes to A, the blame of lacking creativity, because here does not allow children to develop creative pursuit. That means there is no creativity, so we blame the children for lack of creativity. There is a connection. Okay, then let's see the last sentence. Instead, these educationists homework lower the burden of homework of the Commission for Educational Reform. So it's a suggestion given. Usually suggestion also can be given at the end. So in this way here we have followed logical order and interconnection of sentences. So in that way also you can rearrange the jumbled sentences. Okay, let's see next, very easy one. So when you have jumbled sentences with the time sequence, next, last, first, then, so how you have to rearrange? So first, always first will come first. So first, then, next, last. So this is the correct sequence. Okay, first dig a hole in the soil, then place the seed in the hole, then next cover the seed with the soil. Okay, last, finally sprinkle water on the soil. Okay, so this is the logical connection. Let's see next one. So here also you have first, thirdly, and then finally. Okay, so here first will come always first only. Some sentence they give the correct order in the first sentence, so you have to be careful about it. First, make the base of the pizza. Okay, so that is the first sentence. Next, and then put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. You cannot straight away take thirdly after first. Okay, so and then you can take, then means next, put it in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Thirdly can come as a third sentence. That's not a problem at all. Okay, then finally, as it is given very clearly, so you can take that sentence. Finally, take it out and cut into wedges. Okay, let's see next one more. Here also it is given very clearly. Finally, next, thirdly, first. So first, then next, here no then, so thirdly, then finally. Okay, so let's see what is first. First, boil a glass of water into a kettle. So it's starting making it hot. Then next, when the water is still boiling, pour half a glass of milk into the boiling water. Okay, thirdly, there is no then, so thirdly, add 2 spoons of tea powder. Finally, stir the tea and serve hot. So very well logically as well as sequentially connected and rearranged here. Okay, so in this way, students, you can rearrange the sentences, that is jumbled sentences, in correct logical and sequence order by following this time sequence words, the reference words, the indicators, that is what we call indicators of comparison, indicators of time, introductory keywords, concluding keywords. So all these help us to rearrange the sentences into correct order. So more than that, what you have to keep in mind is the logical order, the beginning, the middle, the end. So to form the sentences into correct order. I hope you have learnt how to rearrange the jump.